Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Special effects today. So thanks for tuning in to the channel. I'm Paul. Uh, I cannot stand unboxings, but Wendy wanted me to do an unboxing. I wanted to bring my chainsaw, but she disagreed. So I'm going to do it with my knife here. We are Amazon affiliates, but this is not a promotion or a promoted video or anything. We're consumers just like you. And she bought this dish set and she wanted you guys to see it. Said it was a very good deal and the dishes look really nice. So I'm going to show you what's inside. You can come around, Wendy, to get different angles with the camera. Wendy's being a camera girl today. And oh my God, look at all this crap in here. Talk about an unboxing. There's like boxes and boxes here. Hold on, guys. Let me get this out of here. It turned off? Oh, no, it didn't. It's still recording. It's just not showing the screen. It's saving the battery. Okay. Wendy doesn't know what the camera's doing. So. Let's just do it one way to do it, right? Yeah, that's one way to do it. Now, I don't want it to fall over and hit a dog. A little tight on space here with 3 dogs and not so big of a house. So have patience with me, guys. We're doing it. So it's packed well. I know some people like to know about the quality of the packaging so they're not going to get broken things. This is definitely packed well, no doubt about that. I'm going to wind up clipping this video and clear some of this out of here. So I'm not going to waste too much of your time with this unboxing stuff. I'm trying to hurry here. Be patient, guys. Hang in there. Hopefully it's worth it to you. I know everybody today, things are a big rush and people don't have a lot of spare time, and that's a bad thing, actually. I'm an old fart, and I remember in the 1970s and 80s, early 80s, things were a lot simpler. Walked around with a little black phone book with your friends' phone numbers, and you memorize most of them. Today, a lot of people can't remember their own damn phone number, but it's because their head is full of too much other distractions. Here go the plates, the dinner plates. I'm going to put a link for the Amazon link in the video description on the bottom of the description and within the video. Oh, these are nice plates. They're good looking. These are not the dinner plates. These are the side plates. There goes one dinner plate. See what's in this box. Here, let me show you the plate. Nice coloring on it.
It's lighter on the inside than it is on the outside, so you have a nice variation there.
So you're going to see difference in videos here. We're shooting on a Canon R6 Mark II with a f4 24 to 105 or 20 to 105 Canon EF lens on an RF adapter. Pretty nice lens with a good focal range variety there. Focal point 24 to 105, I think it is. Shouldn't there be more dinner plates in there?
There should be.
They are in here.
Those are the side plates. There's the dinner plates, and then there's the bowls.
Okay. Okay. That's
There's
the dinner plates.
Yep.
Okay. There go the dinner plates.
It's a service for 4.
Service for 4.
It's called Celeste.
What are they called?
Celeste. Celeste.
Celeste.
Celeste. Yeah.
Oh, there goes the dinner plate. They're mixed in. Okay. Here we go.
Celeste stoneware.
The
earthen
bowls.
clay.
I like the bowls. I sort them. I like
fell
the.
in love with the bowls.
I like the shape of the bowl. What's good is they're good for soup, salad, pasta, a lot of things. I just like that difference in shape from just a deep cereal bowl, you know? So, let me switch. I'm going to switch with Wendy here. While we're on this video, Wendy just wants to introduce her new channel, ArtFancy Treasures. And this is a script I helped her do up. So she's going to just read it because she's camera shy, very nervous
Just a
on
little
camera.
bit. I'm new to this. So
Look at that camera
bear
once in a while,
bear
too.
with me. You know, I know life can get stressful, right? So we could all use a little relief from that. I figured, you know, I truly believe that diving into a creative project with some beautiful beads and charms is one of the best ways to relax and lift your spirits. So I want to be there for people. I want to show them how to, from beginners to intermediate to advanced, I'd love to start to show people how to make their own wonderful little trinkets and bracelets and necklaces and earrings, and whatever else you might want to make. And I'm open to suggestions. If anybody wants to leave comments, requests, suggestions, I'd love to read it all. I would be very happy to. Eventually, I'm hoping to do kits for people so that you'll have everything in front of you that you'll need.
Tools, jewelry. Yeah.
Tools, jewelry, from tools to jewelry to beads to charms, all of it.
Chainmail.
Chainmail, possibly. We could do work on that as well. I've been learning chainmail. So, you know, the next video that I plan is me opening up some of my goodies besides the plates. But anyway, that's that. And back to the plates. I just wanted to show you we have the bowls, which are pretty deep. They're pretty deep. They're not, they'd be good for soup, good for desserts. And we've got the side dishes, which are big enough to salad dishes. And then we've got the dinner plates here. So I recommend this. This is really a nice set. I'm very happy with it. It's not too heavy. That's big. That was a big problem for some dishes that I've had. So let me know. And
Very
keep
good,
in
Wendy.
touch.
Thanks for tuning in, and please give a like and subscribe and hit that bell notification. We could really use your support. It's a lot of work starting a new YouTube channel, and it's kind of scary and challenging.
Little
and
scary.
This is new for Wendy. So help support her. She's a nice person. Take good care of yourselves, guys. Take good care of your family and the ones you love, and be safe and happy out there.
And know that this is your time. Thanks. Bye.
Pretty good. So terrible. You're doing for real.
I choked.
I know you choked. You got nervous.
Well, I don't know what to say.
GoPro, power off. GoPro, turn off. So I could have just did GoPro record. I forgot about that.
Oh, okay.
These are blooper scenes now, guys. Wendy, how was your first try at it? Was it
Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Not my thing, but I really want to do this. So.
Yeah. All right, take care, guys. Have a good day.